Many people have asked me this question over the years, which is an interesting question. Do you have to open the door for police in Canada? Wow, that's an interesting question. A lot of people assume you do. The police come knocking, well, you've got to open the door and talk to them. And that's completely wrong. Here's the bottom line. If the police attend your house, unless they have a warrant for your arrest, a search warrant for your home, unless a suspect ran into your home and they're in hot pursuit of that suspect, or you're that suspect in hot pursuit, or unless there's an emergency situation going on in the home and someone's in imminent distress that 911's called, you have the absolute right to say no. And that's totally up to you. I mean, if the police are showing up, let's say you're a witness to a crime and they want to interview you, if you want to speak to them about that, that's your right. You also have the right to remain silent. You could speak, for example, to the police. They come knocking, it's the police. Well, you could talk to them through the door. You could ask them, oh, what are you here for? Do you have a search warrant? Are you here to arrest me? No, then please politely leave. You're not pursuing a hot pursuit. I'm not a suspect. There's not an emergency going on. Please leave. So in this situation, if you don't want them on your property, just talk through the door. You don't even have to answer the door. You don't absolutely have to let them in under any circumstances. It's a very common situation. I mean, people are under the myth or misconception that, and it's from TV shows, because people always talk to the police. Well, if you don't want to, don't talk to the police. Now, in this situation, if you're placed under arrest, let's say they're there to arrest you, make sure to exercise your right to remain silent. They're going to give you a right to call a lawyer, get that advice. The lawyer's going to tell you to shut up, frankly. You don't want to be talking to the police in this situation. But of course, there's many citizens who want to help the police. You could be a witness to the crime. They're coming to your house for a valid reason. That's totally up to you. I'm simply here to answer the question, do you have to open the door for the police in Canada? Subject to the exceptions I said, the absolute answer is no. And if you don't want to open the door, just tell them to politely leave. Thank you for watching our video. We are absolutely committed to bringing you the best possible criminal and DUI educational videos. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you've been charged with a criminal offense in Ontario and require our services, please click on the link in the description below.